Hello everyone, this is a quick tips. Today in this video I will show you how to record animation in Solidworks like this. First, go to motion study. In this case, I have made an animation and we will record it. The animation like this. See? Now go and click the save animation icon. See? Now you have some parameter to record the animation. Make file name is simple mechanism. You can choose where place the animation save it. Maybe not this folder. I choose this one. For save as type, you can choose the file type what do you need. In this case, I choose MP4 video file. For frame information parameter, in frame per second parameter, my recommendation value the frame per second parameter is 15. In image size and aspect ratio parameter, you can choose the ratio what do you need, like 2:3. In this ratio you can upload the video into your social media, but I want to upload the animation in my YouTube channel, so I choose 16:9. After the parameter done, click save. Wait until done.
Okay.
2,000 years later.
See? After done, let's see the animation. This is the animation. Let's see it. See? Now you know how to record animation in Solidworks. That is a quick tips. See ya!